Let's make some crunchy and delicious panko crusted mushrooms. Starting off with the wet batter, we're going to be adding in a cup of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder. So, like with carbonated water and beer batter, the baking powder will release carbon dioxide. And a quick note of how that works, baking powder consists of baking soda and another form of acid, usually cream of tartar. And the third component, mainly a filler, sometimes being cornstarch. When we add water to it, this allows the cream of tartar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is alkaline, to react with each other and release carbon dioxide. And thus giving the same effect as carbonated water and beer within our batter. Add in a tablespoon of salt. A teaspoon of MSG, you can replace it with a stock powder as well. Any spices you like. I'm personally going with these spices at equal parts. Give everything a mix, then add in icy cold water. Mix until the batter is roughly this consistency. Unlike with beer and carbonated water, you'll have to use the batter immediately, since the longer you wait, the less effective the baking powder will be. I'll be coating our mushroom in the batter. Then in a separate bowl, we have Panko breadcrumbs. Throw that in and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Preheat the oil to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And if you don't have a thermometer, you can always use the good old batter trick. If the batter starts bubbling up like that, your oil's good to go. Throw in the mushrooms. Do them in batches to not overcrowd the pot. You'll notice after a few minutes, the mushrooms will start turning upside down by themselves. It's almost like a natural timer. So when you see it flip, cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and they're done. Take them out and set them on a drying rack. And here we have it. Cheers. Oh, I just gotta add a little bit of Cumin mayo to take it to the next level. Oh. And just for fun, here's how it looks like without the panko and just the wet batter. Still really good and really delicious in its own way.